Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Your Trading Friend. So in this video, I'll be explaining you my new strategy called Equator Options Buying Strategy, and I am planning to upload many other videos related to options buying strategy, which might be related to money management, risk management, live PNL, real trades, ledger. I have maintained ledger for this strategy, so that also I'll be explaining you in a separate video, and also I'll be explaining you the drawdown. That is also a separate video, and also risk associated with the strategy. So there are many other risks which are associated with this strategy, which we may not aware. So those things I'll be explaining you. So do watch all these videos because I am calling it as a options buying series. Why this series world came into picture is because you might be seeing movies like Bahubali, Game of Thrones, Money Heist. So these are all the series. Okay, so where one episode is connected to the other episode, next episode. So that is how all these videos are connected. So don't ignore any of the videos. You should watch all the videos, like I'll be mentioning with 1 2 3 with the naming convention, so that you will not lose a track of the videos. So right, so that is the series of videos. That is the introduction part, and next one is what is the way forward plan. So what is that, how we can proceed from now. So right, so I'll be explaining you, like many of like people have contacted me saying like they are not able to stick to one particular strategy for long time. It might be because of psychology, or it might be because of risk. They are not able to manage the risk, or they are not following the money management techniques, or it might be related to motivation as well. So there are many factors which will affect a person quitting the strategy, right? So that even it's not like it is applies to me as well. Even when I started my trading career, even I was in the same situation. Like 1 year I was in loss, second year I was moving from one strategy to another strategy, keep on jumping the strategy for almost 3 to 4 years. I was in continuous losses. Okay, so that's how journey of every successful trader begins. Okay, later there was some person, like YouTuber, like called Prince Paul. He is my mentor, my guru, who taught me what is actually the trading, who can be a successful trader. So these are the things like which I have learned from him. He is also running a YouTube channel called Angel Trading Friend, or Any Trader Can Fly. Okay, so he is my all-time guru. So in the same similar fashion, I am going to start this series and mentor the people who come to me, so that they are not left alone in the market, in the trading career, right? So what I'll do is I'll create a group for people. Those who are interested in such a strategy can contact me on mobile number 9916931315. So I'll be adding you to that group, so that all the people who are will be on the same will be following the same pattern, same strategy, and they will be we will be adopting it to our portfolios, right? So in that case, what will happen is, like, if one day we are in loss, second 2 days we are in loss, 3 days in, it will not affect our psychology. We will not be in panic, because it is normal psychology that okay, even if I am getting loss, if other person is also getting loss, then yeah, somehow we can console ourselves. That is the reason I want you all to be stay connected, so that I will help you. And also during drawdown, if anything we are making mistakes, I'll be like tuning you as per the situation, and helping you to adopt this particular strategy for long time, right? So this is what I have thought, which I will be doing it. So if there are any other things during this journey, we will be learning all together as a family. We can adapt to any strategy, and we can have good returns, right? So, and coming to the strategy part, don't worry about the strategy, don't try to understand this strategy. So it is not like don't learn the things, but strategy is just 10%, less than 10%. Okay, don't run behind strategy. Pick any strategy from YouTube and adapt, which is having proper risk, which is having proper money management techniques, which is having proper if you are having proper psychology, definitely every strategy will work for you. Risk reward, right? So all those things I'll be helping you to understand throughout this journey option buying series. And also it is I will be uploading my trades details every day in this YouTube channel. And at the end of month, 1 month, every month performance I'll be uploading in this YouTube channel. You can watch all my videos, series of videos. So definitely it will give you a confidence that yeah, I can do something in trading career, right? So those that if you get that once the strong guts in your gut feeling, definitely you can be a successful trader, right? So that's it from my side. And definitely you can contact me on my mobile number as well as my email id, yourtradingfriend@gmail.com. So I'll be adding you to the group. And also if you want my ledger or live trade pnl details, I'll be also sharing you those things. You can WhatsApp me on this mobile number. uh, and yeah, definitely please do like and subscribe to my channel. It will be a great motivation for me to upload more and more videos. Thank you.